Google Ensembl Biomart VartView, and open the web site. Choose the database and dataset you want. Click the attribute to show items. Clear the default selection except for the gene stable ID. Select items as this. Open the external section, and select like this. Click the Results button. See that each row has a different ID. Click the Go button to download the table as a text file. As the download goes, open the attributes and reset the selection again. Select the Go term name and click the Result button. You see that there are rows of the same ID this time. Click the Go button to download it. As the download goes, open the attributes and reset the selection again. Select the Geo Slim Goa description and click the Result button, and then click the Go button to download it. You downloaded 3 text files. Rename them to make understandable. Open the Subio Platform's Data Manager tab. Click the New Platform button to start the wizard. Take the first text file to create a platform of Ensembl genes. Select the corresponding columns of the genomic location information. Now you see the newly created platform on the list. Click the Edit Platform button to open the editing panel. Change the format of the strand information from 1 and -1 to plus and with the text replacing tool. Copy all the values in the chromosome column, and paste on an Excel sheet. Add the prefix CHR to the chromosome numbers. Copy the edited chromosome numbers and paste them back to the original table. Some values of the original started with capital CHR. Replace CHR with CHR for correction. Click the OK button to save. And click the Edit Platform button again. Click the Lookup button and take the second file of the Go term. Import Go terms with the Concatenate All Values option. You see that multiple Go terms were imported as separated by triple slashes. Open the Lookup tool again and take the third file. Import Go Slim descriptions with the Concatenate All Values option. Now the Ensembl gene platform is ready. Lastly, click the Select Symbol Column button to select the column of the gene symbol.